Go ahead and go into, I'm in a test account now, go into one of your contacts. And as you are doing your daily tasks, when you come over here to do new call, it will call from, it'll call you, then it'll call them. If you're not sure what to say, go down here to Smart Assistant. And this LP Mama these are perfect. These are great. It's going to give you everything that you need. But I didn't know if you knew, you can actually do call scripts. So this is basically kind of letting you know, let me regenerate. It's just basically the LP Mama. So it's location, price, motivation, agent, mortgage, and appointment. That's the LP Mama. So these are great, giving you different ideas for call scripts, keeping you on task, letting you know what you need to do. So this is great. Go ahead and give it a try on your next call as you're going through your tasks, and you can go ahead and put your own prompt in if you want to, but check it out. It's really cool. You can also do this for emails. I can use this Smart Assistant. So where you have the send welcome, promote a listing, custom prompts, check in. Let's just see what this has to say. So, and you see there's already pre-done tags. Whereas if you go send an email, you're going to have to do your own tags in the system. This will be the email. It'll pull in the first name in there. This is where you can add in other tags like first name, last name, if you're going to be putting anything in there. But these pre-written prompts already have the tags. They know the kvCORE system. They're pre-written for you. Of course, you can go in and just send a welcome email. You can craft your own. So you can do a lot of different things, but go in there, check that out. This is a pretty awesome feature that they have available to us.